How to get rid of poison oak and poison ivy. Poison oak and ivy are dreadful garden companions. The resin in their oil is toxic and causes severe dermatitis. Here's how to rid your garden of these uninvited pests. Things you will need: gardening gloves, poison ivy/oak killer, shovels. Contact your local agricultural extension office for the best method to remove poison oak and ivy in your area. Pull poison oak or ivy if you have only a few small plants in your garden. Make sure to remove all underground runners. Dig down into the soil at least 8 inches. Hire a herd of goats to eat the poison plants in your garden. Goats are voracious consumers of poison oak and ivy. Nurseries or the agricultural extension office can point you in the direction of goats for hire. Note: even if you use this method, you will still have to dig out the roots. Use a glyphosate-based herbicide to kill the plants. Glyphosate is a non-selective herbicide and will kill any plant it comes in contact with. Keep it away from your landscape plants. Herbicide works best on poison oak that has already formed berries. Tips: warnings. Always use the least toxic method of control as your first step. Wear long sleeves and gloves when handling poison plants. Wash all clothing and tools immediately after you finish working. Shower to remove all the toxic resin from your skin. Do not burn poison oak or ivy. The toxic resins will be carried in the smoke and may damage your lungs. Even the bare twigs and branches of these plants are toxic during the dormant season.